Hey, what's up, Tigers, and welcome back to another episode of KTTV.
We're your hosts, Elisa
and Joshua.
Seniors, remember today, November 9th, Herff Jones will be on campus to take orders for cap and gowns and graduation announcements. They will be in the gym foyer from 3 to 6 p.m.
Join the V-Hall food drive. Please bring your canned food products to the bin in the hallway located near VO3 between now and November 11th. Now for club news.
Congratulations to our 2022 National FFA Champion Poultry team. KDFFA competed in Indianapolis, Indiana at Nationals. They placed first as a team and were first, second, third, and seventh high individuals. Kaylee Kuhanik, third place individual. Amber Hall, 7th place individual, Regan Barnett, 2nd place individual, Jamie Hahn, high point individual, and Mr. Price as their coach.
Congratulations to Teacher Ambassador Miss Kelly Knight and her students on their $761 Eco Audit Grant Award. The students are creating demonstration gardens for the Tiger Prairie, and the beds will need a tanker truck full of water each year. Students will use their grant to add rain barrels and drip irrigation, reducing campus water consumption by 3% each year and saving the school an estimated $264 a year.
The French Club is meeting today, November 9th, in room A64 to celebrate Armistice Day.
Do you like to bowl? The Bowling Club will be holding registration and team placements from 3:30 to 5 p.m. on November 8th, 10th, 14th, and 16th at Times Square Entertainment. Bowlers of all levels are welcome to join, and we will teach you if you don't know how. See Mrs. Roscoe in room B113 if you have any questions.
The KHS Comedy Sports team is having their Red vs. White event today, November 9th at 7 p.m. in the Black Box. Tickets are $5 at the door. Best Buddies is having a spirit night at Howdy's Homemade Ice Cream on Thursday, November 11th from 5 to 7 p.m. 15% of the proceeds go back to the Best Buddies.
On Saturday, November 12th, the KHS Choir will perform its regional concert at 3 p.m. Santa is coming to Katy Theater. On Saturday, November 12th from 10 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. in the PAC, Katy Theater will have some special visitors from the North Pole. Tickets are $10 per child. Parents get in for free. Now for Sports with Katie.
The Lady Tigers basketball team opened up the season with a 61-30 win against Cy Ridge last Friday. Tuesday night, varsity defeated Klein 54-35. The Tigers traveled to Klein and came away with a big win after a stellar second half. Nyla Wold was the high scorer with 14 points. Lyric Barr and Halen Obregon both added 13 points. Lyric Barr finished the night with 7 rebounds and Ella Robinson added 4. JV won 47-31 and Freshman A won 49-24. Thursday, girls basketball JV and Freshman A will play in the A-Leaf tournament. Friday, girls basketball plays Fort Bend Marshall. Freshman B, Katie Taylor, here at home. Boys basketball plays at Cy Park High School. Games start at 4, 5:30, and 7 p.m. Boys wrestling hosts Brother Martin in College Park. Matches begin at 5 p.m. Varsity football will take on Fort Bend Clements High School in the bi-district round of the UIL playoffs. Kickoff is at 6 p.m. at Legacy Stadium. We are here at home. Show up and support our Tigers. On Saturday, JV and Freshman A girls basketball will compete in the A-Leaf tournament. Boys basketball plays George Ranch here at home. Games start at 10, 11:30, and 1 p.m. Varsity swimming and diving will compete in the Bob Stallings meet at Texas A&M. Events begin at 11:45 a.m. Wrestling will compete in the Big 12 Invitational at Cinco Ranch. Matches begin at 8:30 a.m. That's all for today, Tigers. Make sure to follow us on social media at Katy Tiger Media, and have a great day.